basically the ultimate investor reality check, connecting a stock's market price to its actual financial performance, so you know if you're paying a fair price or just buying into hype. To understand if a stock like Nvidia or Walmart is overvalued, we first have to look at the simple math behind the price tag. First, let's break down that core math. The P ratio is literally just the stock price divided by earnings per share. It measures exactly how many dollars you're paying for one single dollar of a company's profit. Think of it like buying a local business. If the P is 20, it means it's going to take roughly 20 years of current profits to pay back your investment. Second, you absolutely have to look at the context. So is a high number always a huge red flag? Well, not necessarily. Looking at the March 2026 data, Alphabet sits at a balanced PE around 26. Nvidia has a higher PE of 35, reflecting those massive AI growth expectations. Interestingly, Walmart is sitting at an unusually high 45 PE, proving investors will happily pay a massive safety premium for a stable retail giant. Finally, smart investors use a margin of safety, because honestly, you shouldn't blindly buy whatever looks cheap. They use the PEG ratio, dividing PE by expected growth. A PEG under 1 implies a stock is actually a bargain, while over 1.5 is expensive. You really want to find that sweet spot. Ultimately, the P ratio is your baseline diagnostic tool, but it only unlocks a stock's true value when combined with industry context and future growth. Smart investing is about buying real value, not just chasing a price tag.